UGC NET JRF exam, Jan 2017, solved paper, History, paper 3. This paper contains 75 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the codes given below. List 1 author, list 2 definition of history. E. H. Carr. History is an endless dialogue between the historian and his facts. G. R. Elton. History is what the historian writes. J. B. Bury. History is science, no lesson, no more. R. G. Collingwood. All history is the history of thought. Question number 2. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 Mesolithic site. List 2 location. Bibanpur, West Bengal. Loteshwar, Gujarat. Paisra, Bihar. Sarainagar Rai, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3. The earliest evidence of transition from hunting and food gathering to animal domestication and agriculture in Indian subcontinent has been found at A. Anjira, B. Dhamsadat, C. Kilehul Muhammad, D. Mehrgar. And answer is option D. Mehrgar. Question number 4. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Harappan civilization was in close trade relations with South Turkmenistan. Reason R. Harappan objects or those produced under Harappan influence have been found at Kish, Ur, Nippur, etc. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 5. The discovery of metal was a revolutionary event in human history. Richest copper mines occurred in which part of India? 1. Bihar, 2. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, 4. Tamil Nadu. And the answer is option C. 1, 2 and 3. Bihar, Gujarat and Rajasthan. 6. Which Rigvedic deity is more frequently invoked as being the most useful and as also the most fearsome of the gods? A. Agni, B. Dios, C. Indra, D. Marut. And the answer is option C. Indra. 7. Which text makes it evident that the Vedic Sabha and Samiti were two separate institutions? A. Aitreya Brahmana, B. Adharva Veda, C. Satapada Brahmana, D. Yajur Veda. And the answer is option B. Adharva Veda. 8. The followers of the Ajivika sect were also known by which other names? 1. Hattapalekhana, 2. Mahandika, 3. Ekadantika, 4. Tedantika. And the answer is option A. 1 and 2 only. Question number 9. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 Mahachanabada, list 2 capital. Asmaka, Patali, Avanti, Mahishmati, Chedi, Shuktimati, Kamboja, Hathaka. 10. The Indica of Megasthenes is lost, but it survives in fragments in the writings of which Greco-Roman authors? 1. Ctesias, 2. Pliny the Elder, 3. Diodorus Siculus, 4. Strabo. And the answer is 2, 3 and 4. 11. Which of the following is not true about the Ruminde pillar inscription of Ashoka? A. It is located at Lumbini, a place of Ashoka had visited personally. B. It commemorates his visit to pay reverence to the Buddhist Konakamana. C. Ashoka made the village Lumbini free of the Bali payments. D. He reduced its land revenue to 1/8. And the answer is option B. It commemorates his visit to pay reverence to the Buddha Konakamana. 12. Who visited the court of Bindusara as an envoy of the Syrian emperor? A. Claudius, B. Demachus, C. Diodorus, D. Dionysius. And the answer is option B. the Makas. 13. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1. Missionaries deputed by the Third Buddhist Council. List 2. Respective areas. Majhantika, Kashmir and Gandhara. Maharakshita, Yona, Mahadharmarakshita, Maharashtra. Sona and Uttara, Yona. 14. The Mauryan army was comprised of 1 infantry, 2 cavalry, 3 chariots, 4 elephants. And the answer is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 15. Which of the following Tamil poets were associated with Kanchi? 1. Appar, 2. Paranar, 3. Mamulanar, 4. Sundaramurthy. And the answer is option C, 1 and 4 only. 16. Harisena, the author of Prayaga Prashasti, held which of the following offices? 1. Kadhyatapakika, 2. Kumaramatya, 3. Mahadandanayaka, 4. Sandibi Grahika. And the answer is option C, 2, 3 and 4. 17. Which among the following is the biggest Jaina image? A. Monolithic image of Gomata at Shravanabelagola. B. Parshvanatha image of Gwalior. C. Jaina image in the Udayagiri caves. D. Parashvanatha image of Bhojpur. And the answer is option A, monolithic image of Gomata at Shravanabelagola. 18. Which of the following inscriptions of Samudragupta describe him as a Paramabhavatha? 1. Goya copper plate. 2. Nalanda copper plate. 3. Eran pillar inscription. 4. Allahabad pillar inscription. And the answer is option B, 1 and 2 only. 19. Which new type of gold coins were started by Kumaragupta? 1. Apratigha type. 2. Elephant rider type. 3. Rhinoceros slayer type. 4. Sword type. And the answer is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 20. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. List 1 dynasty, list 2 founder. Uttargupta, Krishnagupta, Maukhari, Aswapati, Pushyabhuti, Naravardhana, Varman, Pushyavarman. 21. Apart from the Harsha, the Chinese traveler Yuan Shuang had occasion to meet which other contemporary rulers? 1. King of Gauda, King of Kashmir, King of Kanchi, King of Wallabi. The answer is option D, 2, 3 and 4. 22. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The Pallava king Mahendravarman I, also known as Vichitrachittam, was a man of unstable mind. Reason R. He professed Jainism for a time but discarded it in favor of Saivism. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option D. A is false but R is true. 23. Which among the following temples has a Dravidian type of Sikara? A. Ananta Vasudeva Temple, Bhubaneswara. B. Kandariya Mahadeva Temple, Khajuraho. C. Lakshman Temple, Sirpur. D. Telika Mandir, Gwalior. And the answer is option D, Telika Mandir, Gwalior. 24. Which dynasty of South India claimed that its ancestors had ruled at Ayodhya? A. Chalukyas of Kalyani. B. Cholas. C. Pallavas. D. Rashtrakutas of Manyaketa. And the answer is option A, Chalukyas of Kalyani. 25. Sri Jaya Indravarman Maharajadiraja of the Brihu family was the ruler of A. Champa, B. Java, C. Kambuja, D. Pagan of Airavadi. And the answer is option A, Champa. 26. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Bandarkar equates the Virashaiva with the Lingayat sect and traces its origin to a split in the Aradhya school of the Saivas. Reason R. Acceptance of Brahmanical rituals and caste ascendancy constitutes the core of the Lingayat movement. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 27. Consider the following statements about Fakhr I Mudabir and his Adab ul Harb wa Sujat. 1. It is a work written on the science of warfare in the early years of Iltutmish reign. 2. Fakhr I Mudabir praises highly the swords made in India. 3. Mudabir mentions that the iron was melted at Khetri in Rajasthan. 4. He offers the earliest known description of the technique of producing Damascus steel. Select the correct answer from the code given below, and the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 4. 28. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Sultan Jainul Abidin was a great patron of learning and surrounded himself with learned men with whom he was fond of holding discussions. Reason R. Scholars like Sayyid Muhammad Rumi, Qasi Sayyid Ali Shirazi, Qasi Zamal and Sayyid Muhammad Sistani left their countries and emigrated to Kashmir during his reign. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 29. Consider the following statements on Ulugh Khan's Balban relations with the Afghans. 1. Ulugh Khan recruited some 3,000 Afghans into his army. 2. When Ulugh Khan became Sultan, he placed the newly created military outposts near Delhi such as Patiali, Kamphil and Bhojpur under Afghan control. 3. Sultan Balban appointed Afghan noble Ikhtiyaruddin as Wazir. 4. Sultan Balban appointed several Afghans as governor. Select the correct answer from the code given below, and the answer is option A, 1 and 2. 30. The Sultan ordered whatever they cultivate should be assessed by measurement in accordance with the yield per mishwa, and all of them should pay half without any distinction. In the above statement, which of the following Sultan has asked the measurement of land as the base of assessment? A. Iltutmish, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Muhammad Tughlaq, D. Firuz Tughlaq, and the answer is option B. Alauddin Khilji. 31. Which of the following statements about Amir Khusrau and his music are correct? 1. Amir Khusrau studied the Deccani music of the Karnataka school. 2. The great exponent of Deccani Karnataka music, Naik Gopal, was the contemporary of Amir Khusrau. Amir Khusrau applauds his invention of sitar in his work Gurat al-Kamal. 4. Later works credit Amir Khusrau inventing about 19 melodic forms, particularly Khyal, Tarana and Qawwal. Select the correct answer from the code given below, and the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 4. 32. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The Indian tradition regarding statecraft was not completely eclipsed with the coming of the Turks and continued in many peripheral areas. Reason R. The writings of the Vijayanagara ruler Krishnadeva Raya, Rajasthani Vigat and Khyat literature, and Ramchandra Amatya's Ajnapatra provide useful information on Indian statecraft. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 33. Naphtha and mangonels were used for the first time in India in which of the following place region? A. Sindh 712, B. Khajuraho Temple 950. C. Deccan 1130. D. Panipat 1526. And the answer is option A. Sindh 712. 34. From the following, identify the place where Sultan Alauddin Khilji declared himself Sultan or ascended the throne. A. Abad. B. Delhi. C. Allahabad. D. Kara. And the answer is option D. Kara. 35. Match list 1 with list 2 relating to terms and their meaning. List 1 term, list 2 meaning. Bakhal, grain traders. Balahar, the lowest grade of agricultural person. Siladar, an armed man. Tuman, a group of 10,000 soldiers. 36. Which of the following Sufi saints popularized the Qadriya order in Punjab and Sindh? A. Sheikh Muhammad al-Husaini and Sheikh Abdul Qadir. B. Sheikh Wajuddin Ahmad and Sheikh Muhammad Khaus. C. Sheikh Abdullah and Sheikh Qasim. D. Sheikh Ful and Sheikh Burhanuddin. And the answer is option A. Sheikh Muhammad al-Husaini and Sheikh Abdul Qadir. 37. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Muslim political thinking was also shaped by the Adab literature. Reason R. The Adab literature was to some extent influenced by the Panchatantra, which was introduced into Arabic literature by Ibn al-Mukhafsa's translation of Khalila wa Dimna. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 38. Which of the following para author and source is not correctly matched? Nizamuddin Ahmad, Tabakat e Akbari, Muhammad Qasim, Muntakhab ul Lubab, Abdul Hamid Lahori, Batshanama, Keval Ram, Taskirat ul Umara. And the answer is option B. Muhammad Qasim, Muntakhab ul Lubab. 39. Which of the following is not correct? A. Akbar divided his empire into 12 territorial units. These were called subas. B. A suba was divided into a number of sarkars. C. A sarkar was further divided into parganas. D. A pargana was further divided into shiks. And the answer is option D. A pargana was further divided into shiks. 40. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. The leading nobles and scholars such as the great literature Khani Khanan Abd al-Rahim and the leading theologian Sheikh Abd al-Nabi were charged with responsibility for education of Prince Salim. 2. Well versed in Persian and Hindi and with a respectable knowledge of Turkey, Prince Salim also possessed a good grounding in history. The natural science, geography, martial skills and theology which were considered appropriate for a prince. 3. Prince Shah Jahan excelled in the martial arts. He possessed great military prowess. 4. Prince Shah Jahan, who was born in Ahmedabad, ordered repairs to both Mughal and pre-Mughal buildings there, revealing his interest in the maintenance of older structures. Choose your correct answer from the code given below, and the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3 only. 41. Match the list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1 author, list 2 book. Catherine B. Asher, Architecture of Mughal India. R. Nath, History of Mughal Architecture. A. J. Quasar, Building Construction in Mughal India, the evidence from painting. Ebba Koch, Mughal Architecture, an outline of its history and development. 42. One of the innovations of the Mughals in building technology was prefab wooden structure. These portable homes were known as bangla in the 17th century, from which the Anglo-Indian word bungalow is derived. Which of the following Mughal emperor is credited with this innovation? A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb, and the answer is option A, Akbar. 43. Consider the following statements relating to various gas used in Mughal Empire. 1. Abdul Fazl mentions that Humayun's Hazi Sikandari consisted of 32 angusht digits. 2. Abu Fazl records that the length of Ghazi-i-Ilahi was equal to 41 angusht. 3. The length of Dira Ghazi-i-Sajahani was equal to a little less than 33.5 angusht. 4. Tuzuk-e-Jahangiri mentions the length of Ghazi-Sharis as 26 angust. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below, and the answer is option A, 1, 2, and 3. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A, another labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The European trade in indigo became very important in the first half of the 17th century, after which it experienced a sharp decline. Reason R. There was rise in the price of Agra indigo and the competition from the slave-worked plantations established in the West Indies. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 45. Which of the following statements is not correct? A. Sarafs, money changers, specialized in issuing hundis to enable remittances to be made. B. Hundi was a negotiable document usually transferred at a small discount. C. A single rate of exchange was fixed for bills drawn at one place upon another, irrespective of remittance or credit. D. The hundi itself specified whether it was to be payable on sight or payable at the end of a particular period after its presentation to the drawee. And the answer is option C. A single rate of exchange was fixed for bills drawn at one place upon another, irrespective of remittance or credit. 46. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. There was tradition of an annual Sarbat Khalsa at Chauguru, Amritsar, but dissensions grew apace and each chief tended to carve out a separate territory for himself. 2. The Dasam Granth contains compositions of Guru Gobind Singh. 3. The Gurus were Kshatris and their principal lieutenants, the Masans, were also Kshatris. The military power of the Gurus reached its apex under the 10th and last Guru Gobind Singh. And the answer is option A, 1, 2, and 4 only. 47. Which of the following statement is not correct? A. Persian was not only the language of higher administration in the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire, but also spread to the courts of the Rajput states. B. Sirajuddin Ali Arzu propounded the view that Persian and Hindi had fundamental affinities. C. Tek Chand Bahar quotes poets and prose works in his Bahar-e-Azam, which was written in 1639-40. D. A new language Urdu sprang from the interaction of Persian with the Hindi dialects. And the answer is option C. Tek Chand Bahar quotes poets and prose works in his Bahar-e-Azam, which was written in 1639-40. 48. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Jean de Thévenot, a French traveler, writes that the people of Surat commonly do not drink the water of Tapti river. Reason R. The water of river was brackish. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 49. Consider the following statements pertaining to customs rates in the Mughal Empire. 1. Abul Fazl mentioned that 2 1/4% was the maximum customs duties under Akbar. 2. In Jahangir's reign, customs duties were 3 1/2% on all imports and exports of goods. 3. In Shah Jahan's reign, customs duties were 2% on money, either gold or silver. 4. Aurangzeb fixed a higher custom rates for non-Muslims. That is why Muslim merchants smuggled goods belonging to Hindus to evade higher customs rate. And the answer is option D, 1, 2, and 4. 50. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. When Nizam-ul-Mulk arrived in the Deccan as a viceroy in 1714. He refused to accept Daud Khan's agreement for the payment of the Chowth and Sardeshmukhi of the Deccan to Shahu. Reason R. Nizam-ul-Mulk inflicted a couple of defeats on them and destroyed the small mud forts which they had built in every district and which served as a base of attack or a place of refuge to the Maratha bands. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 51. When and where the Society for Translating European Science was set up? A. Bombay in 1825, B. Pune in 1830, C. Calcutta in 1825, D. Lahore in 1824. And the answer is option C. Calcutta in 1825. 52. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. Bakht Khan, Braili, Maulavi Ahmadullah, Faizabad, Kunwar Singh, Jagdishpur, Hazrat Mahal, Lucknow. 53. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The decline of the traditional handicraft cottage industries was the result of British commercial policy. Reason R. The imperialist conquest had given immense resources to the British. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. 54. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The liberals genuinely believed that there was a constitutional way to India's self-rule. Reason R. They had an abiding faith in the British sense of justice. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? The answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 55. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. According to Vivekananda, caste system is opposed to the religion of the Vedanta. Reason R. All evil comes from relying upon differences. All good comes from faith in equality, in the understanding of the underlying sameness and oneness of things. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 56. Who among the following had not been involved in floating the idea of permanent settlement for Bengal? A. Alexander Dow, B. Thomas Law, C. Montgomery Martin, D. Philip Francis. And the answer is option C. Montgomery Martin. 57. Arrange chronologically the following tribal rebellions. 1. Rampa, 2. Santhal, 3. Kol, 4. Munda under Mirza. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. And the answer is option B. 3, 2, 1, 4. Kol, Santhal, Rampa, Munda under Mirza. 58. Who among the following were revolutionary leaders? 1. Barkatullah, 2. Hizar Hayat Khan, 3. Obaidullah Sindhi, 4. Mahmud Hassan. Select the correct answer from the codes given below and the answer is option D. 1, 3 and 4. 59. In which session of the Indian National Congress a policy about the princely states was first time enunciated? A. Nagpur 1920, B. Tripura 1939, C. Haripura 1938, D. Karachi 1931 and the answer is option A. Nagpur 1920. 60. In which session Congress passed the resolution of Purna Swaraj? A. Lahore session, B. Calcutta session, C. Madras session, D. Lucknow session and the answer is option A. Lahore session. 61. Which one of the following organizations was established in 1942 by the leftiest women leaders in Bengal? A. Mahila Sudharana Samiti, B. Mahila Samajwadi Samiti, C. Mahila Suraksha Samiti, D. Mahila Atmarakshan Samiti and the answer is option D. Mahila Atmarakshan Samiti. 62. Who among the following was the first Indian women president of the Indian National Congress? A. Aruna Asaf Ali, B. Sucheta Kripalani, C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Latika Ghosh. And the answer is option C. Sarojini Naidu. 63. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the code given below. List 2. Bambodini, edited by Umesh Chandra Datta. Mahila, edited by Girish Chandra Sen. Bharati, started by Vijendranath Thakur. Suprabhat, started by Kumudini and Basanti Mitra. 64. Khudai Khidmat Ghars were popularly known as the A. Green shirts, B. Red shirts, C. Black shirts, D. White shirts. And the answer is option B. Red shirts. 65. Arya Samaji leader Mr. Harvilas Sharada belonged to which part of India? A. Rajasthan, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat, D. Punjab. And the answer is option A. Rajasthan. 66. Which area's communist launched a massive campaign with the slogan "Throw the American model into the Arabian Sea"? A. Area of Nagpur state, B. Area of Nizam state, C. Area of NW Travancore state, D. Area of Bahalpur. And the answer is option C. Area of NW Travancore state. 67. The most militant struggle was the Thebaha struggle by the sharecroppers of Bengal. They declared that they would not pay dash of the crop to the landlords. A. 1/3, B. 1/4, C. 1/6, D. 1/2. And the answer is option D. 1/2. In 68, in which year the National Congress passed a resolution calling upon the Indian people to refrain from the use of Japanese goods? A. 1936, B. 1937, C. 1938, D. 1939. And the answer is option B. 1937. 69. Arrange the following events in chronological order. 1. Subhash Chandra Bose had a meeting with Mr. Tojo. 2. Subhash Chandra Bose arrived at Taipei. 3. INA hoist the national flag on the free Indian soil. 4. Establishment of Indian National Army. Select the correct answer from the code given below. And the answer is option A. 4, 1, 3, 2. Establishment of Indian National Army. Subhash Chandra Bose had a meeting with Mr. Tojo. INA hoist the national flag on the free Indian soil. Subhash Chandra Bose arrived at Taipei. 70. Who said the following? Invoke the aid of the Almighty to take me away from this vale of tears rather than make me a helpless witness of the butchery of my men became savage, whether he dares to call himself a Muslim or Hindu or what not. A. M.K. Gandhi, B. Abdul Ghaffar Khan, C. Vinoba Bhave, D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. And the answer is option A. M.K. Gandhi. 71. Who among the following describe the redistribution of provinces on linguistic basis on assassins of nationalism? A. K.M. Munshi, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Jamanalal Bajaj. And the answer is option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 72. Which one of the following was not an aspect of the official policy of apartheid? A. Racial segregation. B. Separate but equal development of the Africans. C. Laws prohibiting mixed marriages. D. Patronizing native culture of the Africans. And the answer is option D. Patronizing native culture of the Africans. 73. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. Author, book. J.A. Hobson, Imperialism, a Study. Lenin, Imperialism as the highest state of capitalism. K.N. Krumah, Neo-colonialism, the last stage of imperialism. R.H. Thamne, Religion and the Rise of Capitalism. 74. Who among the following express grave doubts about Ranke's tall claim regarding objective and impartial history? A. George Waits, B. E.H. Carr, C. Heinrich von Siebel, D. Dow. And the answer is option B. E.H. Carr. 75. In which year the Non-Proliferation Treaty was signed? A. 1956, B. 1963, C. 1982, D. 1990. And the answer is option B. 1963.